So, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. There is some really amazing good news for all college students because Google has made Google AI Plus completely free for 12 months for college students. And it does not matter which stream you're from, whether you're studying science, management, arts, medicine, engineering, or anything else. You're also going to get access to Gemini 3.1, Notebook LM, AI image and video generation, and a lot of other amazing tools. But how you can actually claim this offer for free? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're a college student and you have a valid college ID, stay till the end because I'm going to explain the complete process step by step. So let's get started. So go ahead and launch your web browser. Then search for Google AI Plus completely free. You can go to any Google AI official website. So I'm going to go for Gemini for Students, your AI study buddy from Google. As you can see on my screen, this is a Google AI Plus student offer, and Google has collaborated with Inshallah for this offer. The best part is that you can get it completely free for 12 months. And after 12 months, if you want to continue using the subscription, you can choose to pay for it. Otherwise, you can simply cancel it. So for the first 12 months, it's absolutely free for eligible students. If you click on this claim button right here, which is indicating claim student plan at no cost, you need to go ahead and log into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll be taken to this kind of page where you'll get Google AI Plus and Google AI Pro offer. So under Google AI Plus at no cost for 12 months is $0 per month, which will be continued for 12 months. And after that, you'll be charged $4.99 per month. And there is Google AI Pro, which is 75% off for up to 4 years, and you need to pay $4.99 per month. So let's go ahead and click on this option right here, which is Get Student Offer. But before that, let's see what are we getting in this packet. You get access to Gemini and Gemini Notebook, along with AI-powered tools for generating images and videos. And you know how sometimes we hit our AI usage limits and we're unable to generate more images or videos. With this plan, you can get much higher access to these tools. And you can also get 400 GB, which is a lot of storage. And we are constantly deleting our photos, videos, files, and other stuff because our storage is full. But with 400 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for college work, personal files, photos, videos, and much more. So this offer is available across the world, so it does not matter which country or state you belong to. So if you click on this Get Student Offer, you'll get the option to verify your student status. Go ahead and click on Continue. And this will take you to a new page where some really important eligibility requirements that you need to check. This offer is specifically for eligible college students who are graduating in 2026 or later. According to the current eligibility criteria, if you're currently studying in college and your graduation is coming up in 2026, 2027, 2028 or later, make sure that you check your eligibility. And there is also one very important thing you need to remember, that one Google account can redeem the offer only once. So for example, you cannot redeem it multiple times using the same Google account. So in this verification page, you need to enter your country and then search for your educational institution in this box right here. If you find it, go ahead and click on it. Then enter your first name, your last name, your correct date of birth, and finally the email address that you want to use. After that, click on Verify My Student Status around the bottom. You need to follow the on-screen instructions. You also need to mention that you're currently a college student and provide your graduation details as well. For example, if you're graduating in 2027, you need to select the appropriate graduation year. You may also be asked for additional information such as your CV or other academic details after this. Just complete all the required information properly, and once your profile is completed and your eligibility is verified, you can return and continue with the redemption process. And that's it. You should then be able to claim your Google AI Plus student offer if you meet all the eligibility requirements. And guys, don't forget your college student ID can actually unlock a lot of benefits. Student can get access to various discounts and offer from different companies and platforms. You can find student discounts on software, subscription, educational platforms, shopping websites, laptops, and many other products and services. A lot of students simply do not know about these benefits. And if you know other college students who could benefit from this offer, do share this video with them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.